Good evening, everyone. My name is Shubham Sunil Banda. Today's topic is about pharmacovigilance, basic introduction of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance (PV) or PHV, also known as drug safety, it is a pharmaceutical science related to detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect with the pharmaceutical product or drug. The main root of the pharmacovigilance means the word pharmacovigilance came from the Greek and Latin combine of Greek and Latin word, which is a pharmakon from a Greek word which means drugs, and the vigilance from the Latin word. Vigilance is Latin word which means to keep watch, means to keep watch on a drug after marketing is known as the pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance heavily focus on the adverse drug reaction, which are defined as many responses to the drug which is noxious or unintended, including lack of efficacy. The condition that this definition only applies with the does normally used for the prophylaxis, diagnosis or therapy or disease. Then the medication errors such as medication to reduce the medication error such as overdose, misuse and abuse of drug, as well as the drug exposure during pregnancy and the breastfeeding. Information received from the patient and healthcare providers via pharmacovigilance agreements, as well as other sources such as the medical literature, play a critical role in providing the data necessary for pharmacovigilance to take place. In order to market or to test a pharmaceutical product is the in most countries, adverse event data received by the license holder, usually by the pharmaceutical company, must be submitted to local drug regulatory authorities. Ultimately, pharmacovigilance is concerned with the identifying and hazard association with the pharmaceutical product and with the minimizing the risk of any harm that caused due to the drug to the patients. The companies must conduct a drug safety and pharmacovigilance audit to assess their compliance with the worldwide laws, regulations, and the guidance. The European pharmacovigilance system is one of the most advanced in the world and represent a robust and transparent instrument to ensure the high level of public health protection throughout the Europe. It provides system for monitoring the safety of medicine on the European market through the prevention, detection, assessment, understanding of the adverse reaction of that particular medicine, including those due to medication error or overdose. In addition, patient can report adverse drug reaction directly to the authorities. Then the pharmacovigilance activities, the collecting and managing the data on the safe of medication, locking the data to detect the signals mean which where the adverse event are get started or harmful effect shown by the drugs, evaluating the data and making decision with the regard to safety issues, proactive risk management to minimize any potential association risk, then the acting to protect public health, then communicating with the informing stakeholder and the public, and the last one was the audit of outcome and key process involved. Then the patient who are users of the medicines are involved in the pharmacovigilance. Then the doctor, pharmacist, nurse, and other healthcare professional, regulatory authorities, including the commissions, the European medicine agencies, national authorities, the EMA, pharmacovigilance risk assessment committee, then the pharmaceutical company and the company importing or distributing the medicines are all involved in the pharmacovigilance. That thank you so much.